Hey everyone, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to check if a blog post is indexed by Google or not. Let's get started. Let's suppose you have published a new blog post and you want to check whether Google has indexed it or not. This is very simple and I'll show you how you can check this by two methods. The first method is copy the URL. Let's suppose I want to check if this blog post is indexed by Google or not. So simply copy the URL, go to Google, type site, then colon. This is called site operator. After typing site colon, paste your full blog address or URL and press enter. If you see your blog here, then this means that it's indexed in Google. If you don't see, then this means that's not indexed. For example, let's say I change it a little bit. Now press enter. If your blog is not indexed in Google, you will see something like this. This is the first method of checking whether a blog post is indexed in Google or not, and it's very simple. Second method is if you have Google Search Console attached to your website, simply come here and make sure you have selected the right property here and then paste the URL here. Press enter. If you see this URL is on Google, then this means your blog is indexed, and if you see URL is not on Google, then this means that that's not indexed. If you see URL is not on Google, then you can simply click on request indexing and it will be indexed in a couple of days. And if other pages of your blog are indexed in Google, then you can give internal links to the new blog post from the old blog post, so this will also help you rank faster. You can also share your blog post on social media to get it indexed faster. And you can use the same method to check if a blog is indexed in Bing or not. Go to bing.com. Again type site, colon, and then paste the blog address. And you can see it's also indexed in Bing. So this is how you can check if a blog post is indexed in Google and Bing or not. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more SEO tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.